9 years of titanium cups, and today, instead of just showing you the finished product like used to, is the floor where it actually happens. First up, hydroforming. You see this machine right here. This is where a flat grade 1 titanium sheet gets spun and pressed into a cup body. The wall goes from 2 millimeters down to 0.6. That's 0.6 is the sweet spot. Too thick. You're carrying way too done to need. Too thin. People don't know the hard part isn't getting. Varies by more than 0.1 millimeters. You've got a weak spot, and that weak spot will fail. I've seen it. After 9 years, I can look at a cup and tell you if the press was dear. Legend that day, most factories, we check every single batch. Next, trimming. Once the body is formed, there's excess at the top. Cheap, but the rim ends up with micro. But you feel them on your lip every time you drink. We run full CNC on every piece. Clean cut. No burrs, smooth circle. This is what a proper rim looks like. More buyers understood. A titanium cup is too. Ground down properly, sits proud of. The wall, run your finger across it. Feels like a speed bump. Drink from it. And it catches your lip. We grind that seam until where the weld is. If your cup has a ridge inside, send it back. Simple as that. Then we've got the drawing, the final shaping pass. That sets the cup's form. And after that, rim finishing, the part your mouth touches every single time. We form it to a consistent radius. As glass smooth, no sharp edges. A cup with a properly finished rim. You can go back to anything else. I don't care what brand it is. And we're just getting started. This right here, laser welding the mouth rim. This is the reinforcement ring at the top. It's not just for looks. That ring keeps the cup mouth from deforming after repeated heating and cooling. The weld depth needs to be at least 0.4 millimeters. Too shallow. I've seen it happen on cups selling for $40. Our depth is controlled. Every batch, no exceptions. Watch this. Machine work, consistent arc, full penetration. This is what 9 years of dialing in looks like. Next step, laser engraving. This is where your logo, your name, your brand goes in. We run 0.1. Titanium popular red in the mouth. Your design comes out sharp. Clean permanent, not printed out, not coating. That's going to feel after 12 versions. Custom orders. This is where it all link the webbing together. We check every single engraving before it leaves this table. No blurry logos, not from this shop. Final step, every updates. Weight, 68 grams. Check. engraving check, then bubble wrap. Diana review 7 steps, 9 years now. Shortcuts. If you want a titanium cup for a gift. Description. To see something specific next.
Welding.
这种是打金色的一种效果。
水都吃不饱。